Hello guys, so today we are going to be making a hairpiece. So first of all, what you need is this elastic. You can use a big elastic and cut it to make it this size. Then find somewhere to tie. I just improvised this thing to tie my elastic, and this is the wig that I'm going to be using. New vibration, and that's how it is from the inside. So I only got about four of them, I think. Cut them in the middle and started separating them like that.
Of all that is blackness.
Then get a small piece of the wig like that size, fold it in the middle and just make a knot like the way I'm doing. Just follow through the video, you are going to see everything, all the steps. Yeah, and that was me untying the elastic from this thing. That thing is actually used to put your glasses on there. I just removed the glasses and thought I could use it. And that is how my hairpiece came out. I started moving to the other end because the elastic was too long. And then that was it. After moving, I tied the elastic just like that.
We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic,
Leaving a space there in the middle. Then got my scissors, cut the extra elastic. You can tie there if you like, but for me I just sewed it in. This is the hair that remained, guys. A lot of it. You can actually make two of other hair pieces again. And that was me just cutting there. I felt it was too big. I was just cutting it to make it a bit smaller, but yeah, even though I wanted something big but not as big as I made it. And voila, that was my final look. I hope you like this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about this hairpiece. Bye.